Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos that I will regularly upload. Science has been helping us to understand every event that is happening in our surroundings. Scientists also believe that there is nothing in this world behind which there is no science involved. With the help of science, various inventions have given every reason behind the happening of events in our surroundings and helped in making human lives better than before. The earlier technology was not developed as it is in today's modern world, where science has progressed so much that right from our breathing to traveling across different planets can be done easily within a fraction of a second. But in 21st century, despite of having latest technology, there are some things in this world which are impossible for one to believe, where even scientists are not able to understand nor explain occurring of such events, like do ghosts really exist, or did aliens were involved in making of pyramids? Where did people disappear from a moving plane? What is the mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle which makes one disappear from that place? So can we find real reasons behind all these mysteries? One can say nothing about them, but in this video I am going to discuss such phenomena, mysteries and incidents which even scientists are not been able to understand. So let's start the video. Number 1. The Ghost Ship. During the year June 1947, two American ships were passing through the city of Malacca, and at that time they received a very strange and scary SOS communication message. The source of this SOS communication message was unknown, but the thing that was told in this message was really shocking. The message was like this: all officers, including the captains, are dead, lying in chart room, and bridge possibly all crew dead. And approximately 1 minute after they received this message, they received one more message saying, I die. And in that communication, other than these two messages, there was no other message transmitted. And because the source of this SOS was unknown, at that time all the ships that were present in the Shidis harbor was informed of this, and the process of finding this ship started quickly. Sometime later, during this search operation, a ship was found and its name was Aurangmedan. And when they reached the ship's deck, the scene was really mysterious and shocking, because the ship's entire crew was found dead, and in that ship there was no life present there. But one thing that was even more mysterious was the emotions of all bodies of those dead people were same. Their eyes were fully open wide, also the mouth was open, which after seeing them looked like before that they saw some horrific scene. Not only this, but in the deck they also found dead body of a dog, and its condition was same like those dead people. The dog looked like as if it was barking at something or person before its death. One more thing common in these dead bodies was there were no signs of injury in these dead bodies. Also, the bodies were decomposing faster than a normal body does. After this, when they towed this Aurangmedan, and during traveling, smoke was coming from the lower part of the ship, and after a big explosion of the ship, Aurangmedan was gone forever. Regarding the state of the bodies remained an unsolved mystery. Who did that SOS message, and why were the expressions of these dead bodies same? Did they become victims to a paranormal activity, or else this remains an unsolved mystery till today? Number 2. The Twin Town. In the Malappuram district of Kerala, there is a mysterious village named Kodini. This village mystery has shocked the entire world and even has become a challenge for science also. Generally in the world, out of 10,000 families, only 45 kids are born as twins. But this village story is totally different. Here, approximately out of 2000 people, 220 pair of kids are born as twins. Not only twins, but in this village there are 3 triplets also. Moreover, the people here consider this great number of birth of twins as a normal thing. So what is the speciality behind this village and what is the secret behind this village due to which the twins born in the village is 11 times more in comparison to the twins that are born in the world? It remains a mystery for everyone. Scientists in the world have tried to solve this question, but what is the reason behind this mystery? No one knows till today. Reason might be whatever, but reality is science also could not give an explanation to this. There are many theories given to this, but finally all were proven wrong in the end. Some doctors predicted the mystery behind this might be due to genetics, but their assumption became wrong as even the husband and the wife who came from outside and settled there also had twins born. Some scientists even said that the village's water was the reason behind this, but if water was the reason for birth of these twins, then neighboring villages where same water is supplied, there also twins would have been born. So how will this mystery be solved? Can we know the real reason behind this? No one have been able to tell this even today. Number 3. Animal rain. When you think about animal rain, you would say from the atmosphere instead of raindrop, animals are being fallen. There are many places in the world where when rain occurs, not only raindrops fall, but something else also falls. And reason behind this falling of animals from the sky, no one has been able to find out. After hearing this, makes one think about it deeply. But there are various events where instead of raining water, animal rain happened. In the year 1894, Bath, England, raining of jellyfish occurred. Another incident like this was in the year 1974, Albury, Australia. Large number of spiders rained from the sky. In 2011, Uruguay, Cabo Polonio, raining of frogs took place, and sometime back in 2017, in the place of Jaffna, Sri Lanka, fish rained from the sky. Scientists believe that raining of animals is due to water sprout, tornado, or even storms which are able to take away any type or size of object into the atmosphere. But one thing behind this theory no one has been able to answer regarding why do same kind of animals fall during rain. Malaysian plane flight MH370. The flight of Malaysian Airlines MH370 after taking off from the airport on March 2014 without leaving any clue, it suddenly disappeared in thin air. And after that, even today, no clues of that flight have been found. So what really happened to this flight? Even using advanced techniques, experts have not been able to find it. Many consider it as the most mysterious event in 21st century, which has made the entire world to think about. Flight which took off at 12:42 at night carrying 227 passengers, Malaysia MH370, where did it disappear? If the plane had crashed, then why the remains of that plane has not been found? Lakhs of dollars, thousands of men, and after even using resources of more than 26 countries, despite of this and continuous research of this plane for 3 years, finally they gave up. And on January 2017, this case was closed. Regarding what happened to the flight and 227 passengers in the plane, that no one has ever been able to answer. However, there have been many theories given relating to this. Some scientists even believe that this plane went inside a black hole. But even after years of this incident, truth behind this incident has not been found. What could have happened to the passengers on plane? Did plane's pilot and staff were involved in disappearance of this flight, or were hijackers involved in disappearance of this flight? This is one of the biggest and shocking mysteries of all time. These were some of the unexplained mysteries which may never be solved. However, if you like this video, then do press the like button. Also do share and subscribe so that you won't miss any videos that I will upload.